In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then select All Services, scroll down to click on Autofill with Google. Tap on Continue. Select Continue in this pop-up at the top and choose Google. Then tap on OK. Select Google Password Manager and finally add a password by hitting Add Password here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your email, username or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!